So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Python 3.14.2 on Windows 10. Go to any browser and type download Python and click on the link download Python. Now if you go down, you are going to see Python 3.14.2. Just click on download and then just go down click on the Windows installer 64-bit. The download will start. Now you have to tick the box for use admin privileges and add python.exe to path. Then click on customize installation. Make sure everything is ticked. Then click on next. Then click on install. Now you can see setup was successful. Now click on close and open command prompt and type python space ---- version. You can see it says Python 3.14.2. In this way you can install Python 3.14.2 on Windows 10. Make sure to like and subscribe.